working on a project here. We are creating a hinge that we could use for our doors and windows, etc., etc. So this is part 2. For those who missed the first part, I suggest that you go and watch it so that we could be on the same wavelength. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So, as you can see, we made a bit of progress. So what we will do right now is to create what we could call a hook right here. So let's click on it and create sketch. I will put 2 circles here. The first one will be I would say 11 diameter. Then the next one will be I would say 7 mil. Then I will go right here on the coincident constraint. Do not get it wrong. I will pick this corner and this bit here. Now we will draw a line from this bit right here till it touches our circle, our first circle. Make sure the angle is right, please. I will draw another line right here. Pick this corner and draw a straight line until it touches the second circle. Make sure your angle is right, please. And I will draw one more line somewhere here between the 2 circles. Make sure your angle is right, please. Zoom and make sure that you trim whatever is exceeding. Here, there's nothing to trim. Here as well, there is nothing to trim. So we're fine. Next bit is to put a distance. Next bit is to put a distance between the circle and this metal here. So I will say from the center of these 2 circles until we hit this line here, I will make it 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. Then I will put a distance between this line and that one, about 1.5. Yeah. You know what? I will actually reduce the diameter of this circle. I want to reduce this diameter. I want to reduce it. Let's put a new diameter here. Yeah, I will make it 10, to be honest. It looks too big. Let's make it 10. And let's make this 1, 6. Make it 6. Yes, looks better for me. Looks better now. So what we're going to do now is to stream. Let's stream it. Let's remove this bit here. Let's remove this bit so that we could create a channel here. Yeah, you can see the channel here. Make sure you have this channel, please. Make sure you have this channel. Then I'm happy. Okay. Then finish sketch and go on 3D, extrude. Okay, something's wrong here. If you realize that the panel is actually the one that is highlighted, that means something's wrong. Cancel it. Just come back right here. Come back right here. I'm sure something is wrong here. So what we're going to do, we will go on fillet. Yeah, let's go on fillet. We miss, that's the problem. So let's make a fillet here. How much is it going to be, my fillet? I will make it 1. I will pick this bit. Let's go back, please. Careful here. Let's go back 1 step. Yeah, now let's pick the fillet bit. Yes, that's where it should be. I will say 1. I will pick this one. Careful, lad, careful. This one and that one. This one and that one. Yes, happy. I'm happy now. Happy now. So let's finish again and extrude. As you can see, we still have a problem here. You have to be very patient here, lad. So you see that it's the panel that is highlighted, not this bit that we just drawn. So cancel it again and go back 1 step, and I will draw a line here because I think the problem is right here, because there might not be a line here. Remember, if there is any gap, the exclusion is not going to happen. Not at all. Not at all. So I'm going to put a line there. I'm going to put a line right here. Now finish. Let's do it again. Yes, perfect. You can see that back to normal now. It's back to normal. Perfect. Perfect. So, but be careful. The exclusion is going the wrong way. So let's flip it. And 25 distance, 25. I'm happy. Yes. Now we can click on OK. So you can see that our first hook is being created. So what we're going to do next is going to happen in the next video. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you learned a few things here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.